Are you kidding me? What the hell is this ticket? There's no way they think that I can do this, right? Like, I think this actually might be impossible. There's no way. Why? Why did I set up shop here? Literally the dumbest thing I could ever think to do. I'm gonna have to get the waiter back in here. It's the only way forward, because this just isn't doable. How? I don't even. Hey, babe. Oh, just another glorious day in the kitchen. Oh, don't get me wrong. I love the restaurant business. It's the joy of my life. Apart from you, of course, but the restaurant, just an endless source of joy and imagination. Sorry, I don't mean to be grr. Just, tonight's dinner service has been a bit much. If I get one more ticket with a substitution or a modification or somebody out there playing wannabe Gordon Ramsay, I'm gonna scream. Oh, yeah. Don't get me started on the people out there who think that they can just start picking and choosing from different parts of the menu. Oh yeah, I want the meat from this, but the veg from that, the sauce from the third dish, but oh, by the way, you have to cook it differently, so it's not the same sauce, the veg isn't going to be the same, nothing lines up. And they want it all done in what effectively is an unsafe cooking environment. Why am I serving these people? No, I feel like it should be allowed that if you start making up a dish on the spot, the waiter can just tell you, please stand up, get out. Because you don't know what you're doing. If you're that good of a chef, stay home, cook your own meal. If you're coming here, it's because you want food cooked by me or cooked by you. And honestly, then you gotta stick to the recipe and the menu. You can't just start making shit up because you think, oh, this is a great idea. I'm not being over dramatic, but come on. You've seen the tickets tonight, right? I know. And they pay the bills. 90% of the time, our customers are amazing, but I don't know, just today has been a day. Yeah, well, far be it from me to question the customer. Except for this. This I'm questioning. Listen, don't get me wrong. I love Frosthaven. I love living here. It's made our lives a lot easier, but sometimes the requests I get are just shocking. Well, I mean, like, take this. This one is from that couple in the corner, the merfolk. They literally want me to put raw fish on a plate. and then decorate it with lettuce and tomatoes and all that, but effectively, raw fish on a plate. Well, I think they want the head, the tail, and the, spine removed, but still, it's not sushi, it's not sashimi, it's literally just 2 pieces of fish raw on a plate. In what world does that look appetizing or like something I want on a table at my restaurant? Yeah, or okay, this one, and I'm sorry, babe. I know they're your people, and I'm not trying to denigrate all of werewolf kind, but really? Raw steak on a plate? That I am definitely not doing. Because it is unsafe. It is completely against health code. If a health inspector walked in the door right now, saw me do that, restaurant would be shut. You and I would be out of a job. Because the health inspectors aren't like, Frosthaven locals. They're sent in from outside. It's crap. I know it's crap, but I mean, come on. In what world is this going to fly? Oh, sometimes I think y'all know what you're doing and you just think it's funny. I mean, realistically speaking, I think you think it's funny. Oh, don't even try. You're kind of giggling right now. You know that, right? I love you, but you drive me up a wall sometimes. Yeah, you do. You absolutely do. Sometimes I think we set up the restaurant in the wrong place. Oh, don't get me wrong. I know there are problematic diners everywhere. I promise you that I do, but holy crap. This is sometimes a brand new level. See, that's just the thing. I can't even really get angry. I don't think these are done maliciously. No, that's the thing. I mean, if I thought it was being done as somebody trolling me from the dining room, yeah, I'd have words. But it is a couple of werewolves that ordered this. I think they literally want raw steak. I can't be angry at the merfolk for wanting fish the way they have it from the sea. I I can't get angry at that. It just boggles me that they think a restaurant would do that. Okay, let me reiterate. A restaurant with a human chef? Listen, I love your kind and I make as many acquiescences as I can, but this one would literally get me shut down. I can't do it. Oh, no, 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 no. Don't even get me started on the vampires. Some of the stuff they come up with strains even my sense of morality. Okay, like, check this out, for example. They ordered a whole pork loin, but with the added, can you add more blood to it? How in the hell is that going to work? No, 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 no. I'm serious. How in God's name is that going to work? Because as far as I know, you can't add blood back into a dead thing to begin with. And this isn't even a whole dead thing. It's just the pork loin. Baby, if you add blood back to any creature, except for a vampire, they die. Everything. Humans, werewolves, merfolk, everything. We have a set amount of blood, and if we have too much of it, we die. End of story. How do they think I'm going to do this? Okay, but if I injected straight blood into the pork loin and then cooked it, all of it comes back out. So what you're then saying is you want me to cook it and then inject it with blood just clear out of the blue. First of all, where in God's name am I going to get blood? I don't stock it. Second of all, really? So I'm going to serve you a dish that when you cut into it, blood splatters all over the place? Exactly. See, this is the thing. I don't know where their heads are at. Then go eat at a vampire restaurant. Go there where they'll do it for you, but don't come to my restaurant and, demand this crap. It's ridiculous. Well, I mean, I suppose I could make a reduction with the pig's blood. It's doable. Yeah, I do keep some in the back. I mean, it's really good for certain stocks and a couple of really odd dishes, but no, yeah. And I mean, the fish thing is doable enough if I put some work into it. I mean, I could present it. It'd honestly look kind of nice too. It would end up being some sort of sashimi, just with the skin still on. Yeah, it'd have to be the skin on. They made a very clear point of that. Yeah, well, the initial order actually said skin crispy, but how in God's name am I going to do crispy skin on a raw fish? Those physically can't happen. No, I tried the blowtorch already. It cooked the fish, and then that's just not going to work. It's going to have to be raw all the way. Yeah, I've maybe been thinking about it a little bit. No, I'm still not serving the werewolves just raw steak. That no. I would never put a T-bone on somebody's plate raw. I'm just not doing it. Steak tartare, however, that I would do. Well, to be fair, it's something I might have already done, okay? Because deep down in my culinary brain, solving problems like this, it flexes a muscle that I don't get to flex often, and I love it, okay? Is that what you wanna hear? You're incredible. I love you, but you're incredible. Well, if I'm gonna do for the mermaid and I'm gonna do for the vampire, I'm not gonna not do for the werewolf, but good lord, what the hell? I moved to Frosthaven and I knew things were gonna be weird. I never didn't expect it. But sometimes you all put the bar real high. Yeah, I've got a lot of cooking to do tonight, so it's a good thing my sous chef showed back up. Forgive me, forgive me. Partner chef. It's been a night, okay? Thank you. I appreciate that, okay? Come here. I love you. No, I don't think I say it enough sometimes. I do love you. And I know I wouldn't be here without you, so thank you. No, I don't mean Frosthaven. I mean in my career. You pushed me to be the chef that I am today, and if I don't say it enough, thank you. Well, you are quite inspiring too. I love watching you work, and I would never want to cook with anybody else. Yeah, well, weird orders make me sappy. What can I say? Yeah, well, we better get to it. Can we order something for us tonight? I think I'm going to be all cooked out. That sounds perfect, babe. Come on. We should probably get cooking. Yeah, yeah, pass me the pork. I'll get started on the vamps.